Hey, Tej here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for Ethereum. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Waves theory and provide multiple scenarios price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Starting here on 15-minute time frame and looking at this structure first, and then zooming out and seeing what it can be part of on the higher time frame. So let's start with this count here. In this one we would have this as an ABC into W, and then this current structure that we had as an ABC, whether it's completed or not here doesn't really matter. We'll look into this smaller time frame structure a bit later on this video, but for now it does not really matter. The overall higher time frame idea here on micro, or the pink count here, is that we had a W, X and Y. We'd be looking for one more high, most likely taking out this high and this high. Again, 1-to-1 would be around $16-70 area. Now, the other option here on local time frame would be that we had A, B and C instead of the previous count, where we would have this as a three-way structure ending something here. In this case, we would end something up in here, and this structure here would be part of something new. Now, in this case, I'm still thinking that this current structure that we have here is a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course, we do have a couple kind of extended legs here for that third wave, but at this very moment, at least, this definitely still feels like a three-way move. If we go beyond the $1,564, then we can start questioning about whether this is actually 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and instead of third being here, we would move it up in here and move this fifth down here and call this a five-way structure. It looks pretty good as one as well, but I think looking at Bitcoin and having the confidence around that, I feel like that 3 is actually down here, and we are creating some kind of wave 4, and then one more dump, taking out these lows. But we'll see. Now, again, alarms around the $15.64 area at 1.618 extension of this move here, and also this previous wave 4 area. If we go break it, then that's a confirmation that, okay, this wave 5 was actually here and we are heading higher. Now, what can this be part of? Let's take a look. So if we are zooming out a bit, we had this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now on Ethereum, this was not part of anything before it. I don't have a count in which this could be part of any previous structures, so that's why I'm still bearish overall. Now, whether this structure here is the correction or whether this correction here is completed, I'm not quite sure. It is possible that we had this as a three-way structure like so, and we hit the minimum target in price and also in time, so it is possible that we have this correction completed, and now we could be looking for the next pardon leg downwards, and this definitely has the potential to do that. This would be a wave 1, 2 and then continuation downside. Now, is there other possibilities? For sure, this could be a ABC doing something like that, and then having this linked up like so, creating larger structure here as that connector wave structure, and then coming down again. Now, if we are thinking about the other scenario in which we had this as the W, X and wave Y, I don't think we need another larger structure than this one. So if we are actually taking out these current highs, I would be more confirming or looking into this scenario as the best at the moment. So two scenarios still on the table, however you want to be saying that, but the overall bias is that, okay, we are coming down. Whether it is through this or whether it's through this, I'm not quite sure. And I don't think anyone can be sure. Again, playing the probabilities, looking at some confluence around the retracements that we would be getting here. Like if this whole structure would be done, I would be expecting around the 0.5 at least. Again, that doesn't unfortunately tell us too much about the whole structure, other than, okay, it is most likely going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And at that point, again, we would be looking into the other scenario and possibly looking the long game here at these lows instead of short game from these. But yeah, to me, I'm still confident, or my bias is still to the downside for this fifth, and then we're going to get some kind of a structure up into these levels around here. Let's take a look actually if there is some kind of confluence. We have a naked daily here with a golden pocket here. That is pretty good. Also a tapped daily here with a 0.5. So also with this structure in mind is going to be offering some resistance for sure. So these two areas would be the ones that I would be looking for short setup. If we are going to get first this wave 5 here, and then we would be looking for that retracement, and then we are looking for that structure coming down, and these would be the areas I would be looking for shorts. But that is just me. If you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes. Link to my free Discord server in the description below, and for now I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next video, bye bye.